is Lawrence Park from New York City, and I'm a mechanical engineering major. So we're trying to build a drone that integrates AI for the purpose of like inspections and things along those lines. So you can sort of hands-free, you dictate to it what you want it to do. It'll, fly up, use the camera to inspect some area, then it'll use the AI to actually analyze what it inspected, and then it'll deliver a report to you. I've got kind of interest in planes and aerospace and stuff like that. I'm a student pilot, so getting a chance to actually help build something like this really seemed like a great opportunity to me.
The drone that Lawrence created was intended to be a drone for occupational safety and health, a drone that you could talk to. So rather than using a drone as a mobile camera, we wanted to use the drone as a partner, meaning that you would be able to talk to the drone, give it instructions, send it off to look at a work site or some architectural artifact such as a bridge or a building, and examine it, and then come back to the human collaborator and give a report of what the drone had detected in terms of things which might be occupational safety and health risks of various kinds.
I'm pretty new to AI. My experience with AI pretty much is limited to messing around with ChatGPT every now and then, but getting actually hands-on experience on sort of building these models and even working with them in other ways has been really interesting. A lot of times at first it can seem very daunting. There's a lot of things that you have to think about, but once you actually get the project going, you find a lot of things sort of flow a lot smoother. It's almost like a sense of inertia, where starting the project can be very difficult. But once it's already going, keeping it going is not nearly as hard.
No innovation process is ever finished, and every innovation process builds on innovations from the past. What I do with the various research projects that I engage students in during the summer is that I build upon projects that I've done in the past. We've created a drone that has some capabilities, but it lacks other capabilities. Next summer, a new set of students can take over and build upon the work of the past summer's work that students have done and take it to the next level.
I think it was really a great experience, especially for project management types of things, because we kind of had to build the whole thing from scratch. It was definitely communication, and a lot of it was project planning. You have to sort of plan everything out beforehand, know how it's all going to go together before you buy it. Because if you buy it and it doesn't mix together, you just wasted a whole bunch. I think the next step for this project really would just be expanding on the applications, because right now we have a lot of the hardware, a lot of the electronics, a lot of the software, but because of the way the AI works, you need to expand it and train it on new applications.